Today we'll see how to create a new door type in Revit. So to create a new door type, I'm going to create one new project. I'm going to select a default metric template. I have checked project. I'm going to give OK. The template is being upgraded. Let it upgrade. Sometimes it takes a long time. Okay, now it is almost ready. So in case if you don't want this kind of loading, first you have to upgrade template file itself and save it for your future reference, and then you can load it directly. That time it won't upgrade again and again. Okay, so now what do I need? I need a wall to place door so that I can create a new door type. Otherwise we have to go to family, you have to go to door and come here. So here you can see only one door has been placed. That means you can see door and M single flush door is there. It's a family type and these are types. It's a family name and these are family types. Okay, so to create a new type, what you have to do, right click, take a new type, okay, and give a name. Let's give a name as 900 by 2100 mm. Then now the type is being created. So there is some changes we need to do it. So what you have to do, first right click and go to type properties. Okay, and here you can see the width, height, and trim width, all those parameters you can see. So what you have to do, you have to update the dimension. That's it, 2100 and width 900, and save, give OK. Now the door has been saved. This is one method. Okay, in case if you are going to do in the model itself, that time usually what will you have, you will be having a wall and a door placed on the wall. Okay, so here, so let me open 3D also. Okay, I'm giving WT for window tile. Okay, this is my door, 915 by 200 134 2134. Okay, sorry. So here what you have to do, you can create a new type directly selecting the door. By selecting the door, you can go to edit type and duplicate and give a name here. It's the same window. So you can see here, first what you have to do, you have to select the door. If you can't select the door, just to keep it here, your cursor just over the door. If you keep it here, now the cursor is highlighting the wall. Give tab, now it is highlighting the door. Select the door and go to edit type and duplicate and give a name, 600 by 2100 mm. Okay, let's give mm in small letter. Okay, so now you can see here the height is 2100 and width going to be 600. Okay, change it. That's it. Now you have the new door type. You can see here the family, it is same, M single flush, and but the type we have created a new one and we are updating the properties of door and give OK. See here the selected door has been changed. In case if you don't want this door to change, then what you have to do, you have to select and give a previous door type. This is how you have to change. So in case if you don't want this kind of changing, then you can directly create it here. So now you can see 600 by 2100 that has been listed in the project browser. So whatever you create, so that will get updated here in the list in the project browser. Okay, in case if you are loading a new door type from library, so that time you have to go to insert, say no load family, and this is supposed to go to your C drive, Autodesk, and okay, go to C drive, then program data, and then go to Autodesk, and then come down to Revit 2022 libraries, English, US. Here you can select the doors folder. If you double click, it will go inside, and select whichever the doors you want. If you like any door, you can directly load. Select this door. I'm going to select this door, and I'm going to say open. If you need two doors in the same time, select I need this door, and so this is already loaded. No, that's a flush door. Okay, and this door I want. 1, 2. Two doors I have selected, and I'm going to say open. Now two doors we are going to load. So select all the door type. Okay, select all the door type in case if you want. If you don't want to select any one, whichever you want, and say okay. Now new door has been loaded. New doors. So here you can see M door double glass, M door single panel. Okay, so in case if you want to load a new family type, then here itself you can go to here, you can duplicate and give a name 600 by 2100 mm. So this is my new type. What I have to do, I have to update the property. Go to type property and update 600, height will be 2100, and say okay. That's it. Now we have created a new type for the imported door. So to place a door, just drag and place. Okay, just drag and place. That's all about a door type. In case if you want to duplicate a window, then go to architecture, place a window. So I'm going to select from the properties, I'm going to select this door, this window. I can directly place in 3D. Okay, so in case if you want to flip the window, you can select and flip. Okay, to duplicate or create a new type of window, to create a new type in the window, you can do it in the project browser itself. Okay, so this one, if I select this window, the family type is M window casement double. So here also we can see M window casement double. Okay, so in case if you want to duplicate or create a new type of window, then you have to select, right click, duplicate, and give a name 900 by 1000 mm, and and what you have to do, you have to update the property. If you don't update, then the dimension of the window won't change. So never forget to update property. Go to type properties, and here you have to update 900 by 1000. So let's keep width as 9000 and height as 900 and give OK. Okay, so to place these windows in the project, then you have to select, drag, and you can directly place. If your window it's not highlighting, that my cursor is different, so I can't just place. What you have to do, you have to click once, then it will be highlighting the window, and then place again. Okay, that's all. Duplicating or creating a new type for doors and window, it's almost the same procedure. You can do it. Thank you. Bye bye.